guys, welcome to Let's Learn English with JF YouTube channel. It's me JF. Today is our lesson about ordering meal. It's free English language called lesson 10, right? So today we will learn how to order a meal in a restaurant, hotel or motel, right? So today we will learn these all stuffs which is related how to order a meal in a restaurant. Before heading to initiate our topic, it is ordering a meal in a restaurant. So I will tell you something much more important. Like most of us want to improve their English as soon as possible, right? And as much as they can speak fast and fast, they want to speak, right? They want to they want to speak English like a native speaker. In easy words, I want to say that every one of us want to speak English like a native speaker speaks English. How to speak English like a native speaker, I will tell you at the end of this video. So watch this video till end, right? So as one thing more that I want to mention is usually I mention my free English language course. That is, go to the description of this video, click on the WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group, and become the member of Let's Learn English with JF. Right? Group, WhatsApp group. And if you're new to my channel, just subscribe to my channels, right, to get more informative videos related how to improve your English and speak English like a native speaker. So let's begin today's our topic, that is ordering a meal in a restaurant, hotel or motel. The first word and the first person who we meet in the restaurant, like the one who asks for a meal, is a waiter. Waiter is a person who asks us that what do you want to drink or eat, right? So the first person who asks us in the restaurant and or for to whom we give order for our own self to bring a meal, right? That is a waiter. Or if that is male, that is called waiter. If that is female, then you can call to her waitress, right? Waitress. So the second thing that we learn or sentence we're gonna learn, that is, can I start you off with something to drink? Like waiter or waitress, mostly they ask one question, that their initiation question is, or their first question is this, that can I start you off with something to drink? If you are interested in order before taking a meal or before initiating or ordering a meal, do you like to have a tea or would you like to order some colas or these all stuffs, right? Like cold drinks mostly comes like colas, Pepsis, other stuffs. Like sometimes we order black tea or black tea or iced tea or etc. or lemonade juice. These type of stuffs we order before the meal, right? In order to refresh ourselves, right? Then the waiter asks, are you ready to order, or do you need more times or few minutes? Do you need more time or few minutes? If you're ready after taking that thing, mean they brought for you juice, whatever you ordered before the meal, right? And they brought for you, they served for you, and then you can say in that case, if you're ready in order to order a meal, then you will say yes, bring this and that for me. And what things mostly comes in the restaurants, and how you will call those stuffs in English, right? How you're gonna order in English to a person if they are talking with you in English and they are asking you like, would you like to order, sir? What would you like to order? Or they can ask you in this way, that in an advanced way, that are you ready to, or do you need more times or few minutes, right? Are you ready to order, or do you need more time or few minutes? In advanced way, they will ask you like this. And other way is we can also ask whether someone whether they're ready to take meal or not. Hey, if some not in the restaurant, they never say hey. They say they, or mostly say sir in these all stuff. But in our homes, if someone comes and whenever we want to serve meal, we say hey, are you ready to take meal? Yeah, bring. So we are talking about hotel and restaurants in these places, not our homes, right? So they will ask you in such way, like, are you ready to order, in a polite way, or do you need more time or few minutes? If you're ready with order. And they can ask you in another way like this, that sir, what would you like to order? Sir, what is your order, sir? What would you like to eat? They can ask you such stuff. But in a modern way, in an advanced way, they will ask you in such way. Okay, one more thing. If you're ready to order meal, then you will say, I will have tomato soup to store, right? And rice, etc. You will go on. Whatever you're gonna order, you will go for that. You can order whatever you want, right? For example, if you're ready to order, so you will say, ah, I will have to, I will have to start with the tomato soup, or you can say, I will have to tomato soup to start, right? In a polite way, you can say, I will have tomato soup to start. And then you will say rice. If you need to eat rice, you will say rice. And if you want to eat chicken, you will say chicken roast. Whatever you want to order, you will order that, right? Then another word that comes in our mind, would you like to order anything else? If your order is finished, for example, if you order bring rice, this and that for me, he has written those all stuff with himself. And then he'll ask you, the waiter will ask you, or waiters will ask you at the end that, sir, would you like to order anything else? If you want to, if you want to order anything else, you will say, bring this and that thing for me. If you don't want, so you will say that, no thanks, no thanks, I just need fish, or whatever you have ordered, you say that thing. Okay? Right? So you have learned how to order meat in a restaurant. So thing that is much more important in order to improve your English is practice, right? In order to practice English, you need someone. So go to the description of this video below and join the WhatsApp group. Become the member of Listener English with Jeff and for WhatsApp group, and find a partner. You will find someone with whom you can practice these all stuff, right? And I have many members in that groups which helps with each other in order to improve their English. Alright? So become the part of that group and speak English like a native speaker, because English needs only practice. English is a skill, not education. If you can speak perfect English, it doesn't mean that you're an educated person of the area, or you have gotten the whole education of the world. It's meaning you have only skills. English is a skill, not education. And a skill can only be improved and only can be improved that is only the way that is practice. In order to improve your English, the only way is to practice English. The more you practice English, the more you become fluent. The less you practice English, the less you become fluent. And then you will say, I am fine. Still you will be stuck in the same sentence. You will not say, I'm in a great shape, I'm this and that, and you will not use such advanced words, alright? So in order to practice these all stuff with someone, go to the description of this video, join the WhatsApp group, right? And then you will become a fluent speaker because of practice. And how to get the notes of this video? You can also get the notes of this video in the WhatsApp group. So in order to practice with someone, you need some stuff, right? In order to practice, you need some vocabulary, some stuff, some notes, right? I've also given the notes of this video in that WhatsApp group. So go to the description of this video, join the WhatsApp group, and then get the notes of this lesson also. Right. So let me open in my laptop notes in order to help you more to speak English like a native speaker. For practicing, I'm gonna open notes. If you're not gonna join WhatsApp group, not required, but I'm gonna open my notes over here in my laptop. It's lesson 10, right? Ordering a meal. We have gotten 3 characters in this lesson. The one is waiter, the one is male, and the second is female. Male name is Rala, the female name is Anna. Waiter. Hello, I will be your waiter today. Can I start you with something to drink? Raffle. Yes, I will have iced tea, please. Waiter क्या कहता है? Hello, I will be your waiter today. मैं आपका आज waiter हूँगा. Can I start you with something to drink? क्या आप कुछ पीना चाहेंगे? Raffle. Yes, I have iced tea. हाँ, मैं ठंडी चाय लेना चाहूँगा, please मेहरबानी करके. And Anna, I will have lemonade. मुझे शरबत चाहिए. Lemonade एक शरबत है, सही है? शरबत का नाम है. Okay, waiter. Okay, are you ready to order? For example, they brought stuff like ये आपके लिए शरबत वगैरह या जो चीज़ आपने टी वगैरह ऑर्डर की वो आपके लिए लाए हैं. फिर वो आपसे पूछेंगे, okay sir, okay, are you ready to order or need few minutes? सर क्या आप अभी ऑर्डर देंगे या थोड़ी देर बाद ऑर्डर देंगे? हेल्पफुल क्या है? I think we are ready. मुझे लगता है हम ready हैं. I will have tomato soup to start, and the roast beef with mashed potatoes and peas. अच्छा, मैं लगता है मुझे हम रेडी है ऑर्डर देने के लिए. मेरे लिए आप टोमेटो सूप लाए, सही है, एंड रोस्ट बीफ एंड mashed potatoes and peas. Peas अच्छा, peas किसको कहते हैं? मटर को peas कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. Okay, where? How would you want beef? Rare, medium or well done? अच्छा, इसका मतलब है आपको जो बीफ चाहिए, गोश्त चाहिए, कौन सा चाहिए? रेयर चाहिए, मीडियम चाहिए, बहुत बड़ा चाहिए, वेल डन. अच्छा, जो क्या क्या वेल डन प्लीज़, बहुत अच्छा चाहिए, यानी बड़ा चाहिए. एंड आई विल हैव, और अना क्या कहते हैं, एंड आई विल हैव द फिश विद टोमेटोज एंड अ सलाद. अच्छा, अना कहती है मेरे लिए आप क्या लाए? फिश लाए, सिर्फ फिश लाए, और टोमेटोज उसके, सॉरी पोटैटोज लाए, और सलाद उसके लाए. तो ये हो गया हमारी प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमारे नोट्स, सही है. So guys, if you are going to have any question in this lesson of mine, go to comment section of this video. Type whatever question you have. You can ask me directly and indirectly, right? Directly you can ask me in that WhatsApp group, and I will fluently, directly I will answer your question, because I'm 24/7 sometime online, not every time online, because I've also most of my own words. I'm stuck in that. Everyone have their own words. So go to go to the comment section of this video. If you have any type of question related to this topic, you can ask me this in the comment section. Okay, one more thing. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel in order to get more videos. If you like this video, like it, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's learn English with Jeff YouTube channel, right? And I will help you how to speak. I will try to make you a fluent speaker of English, and then you will be capable of speaking like a native speaker. Thanks for watching. Till next lesson, may Allah bless.